Hey there, Brock Elementary parents. It's Miss Griffith here with your Brock Elementary update for March 2nd through March 6th. I literally cannot believe that it is March already. This year has flown by. But I know that it just creates that sense of urgency to make sure that we really finish the year strong and support our kids all the way until the end. And so, anyway, so what we have coming up, you can see here some upcoming events, some things to highlight. We have our spring pictures that also includes our class pictures, so you'll be getting information about that. You actually should have already gotten information about that. And then we also have spring break coming up. March 16th through the 20th. So make sure that you guys are prepared for that and know. We'll also be celebrating National Down Syndrome Awareness Day, National Cerebral Palsy Day this month. And we also have our Daddy Daughter Dance coming up, and that will be from 6 to 7:30 here at the elementary, and that includes pre-K through 6th grade. And girls are welcome to bring any guests that they want to bring. And so I also wanted to include the district update that was just out there with some highlighting some great things that are going on around in our district. And so you might want to go ahead and check that out as well. Just a couple reminders as normal. School starts, the tardy bell rings at 7:50. I do ask, and we pretty much do announcements as soon as that bell rings so that we can maximize the time in our day with all of our kids. And so it's important that kids are here on time so that we can get started with all of that. And we talk to the kids um, every week and on a regular basis about when you hear the pledges, that no matter where you are, stop where you're at, look for the direction of the flag, pause, say the pledges with us, and then go on. You will not definitely not be penalized for that. Like, please help us in showing respect. So that's something that we're really trying to instill in the kids. And then let's see. Also, in the car line, if you're coming to pick up, make sure that the tag stays up until you actually are leaving and you have your kid, because you have to imagine how many kids that were, getting into vehicles, and just there's a lot going on, and that just really helps that helps us to be better for you guys if we just keep the sign up until you're out. What else? We have a new color character trait for this Wednesday. It's going to be wearing blue for trustworthiness, and so we'll be talking with kids this whole 6 weeks about trustworthiness. And we will actually have an award ceremony for caring, which was our last character trait of the 6 weeks here pretty quickly. So we'll be getting notices out to parents whose students are going to be recognized for that. Again, here's some more information just if you want to know more about our house time that we've launched this year. More information about Eagle binders and Eagle period and standards-based grading. Those are just some helpful videos, I feel like, to kind of understand some of the things that we have going on our campus. I hope that all of you guys had a really great weekend. Oh, one more thing I wanted to say. So we are in, I believe, our third week of students being able to check out our STEAM backpacks, which has been wonderful. Miss Harrison has done a great job with that. Our kids have been really excited, and so I look forward to getting some of the flip grids that our kids have made about what they've gotten to do with their backpacks and sharing those with you guys on an upcoming update. Very, very cool thing, and I'm really proud that we're able to offer those STEAM activities through our library here at Brock Elementary. I hope all of you guys again have a great week. I'm looking forward to a great one, and go Eagles!